Hi, I'm Yasmin. I work as a program coordinator for ACM Metropolis Studios, and I'm working with ACM for Mental Health Awareness Week. If you know a friend who is struggling emotionally and mentally, the best thing as a friend that you can do is to be patient with them, be considerate, understanding. If they always cancel on you, which is quite a popular thing if someone's feeling a little bit under the weather mentally, then just be patient with them. They will start to come out of their shell a little bit more when they're feeling better. I would also just offer as much support as you can, say that they're there if you need to talk. I think definitely patience is probably one of the key things you can do to help your friend who's going through a tough time. I would say that the warning signs for yourself to notice if you think that you're sort of going towards the direction of having anxiety or you already have these symptoms is definitely shortness of breath. Losing perspective, I think, is a really big one. Sometimes something quite small will seem like a very big deal. Dwelling over situations, maybe you've done something you think isn't right. There's a lot of dwelling that happens with someone who's got anxiety. They tend to focus on something negative for a very long time and it takes a while for them to kind of get over that hurdle. I would also say that a lot of tiredness is a massive one. If you're feeling under the weather and you're just feeling really drained and really tired, even though you haven't really been doing much, that's also a big warning sign, and it does accumulate over a few weeks, even months and years before you actually notice that something's really wrong. And I think a big one is that you start to hide away from any social activity. You won't want to go out with your friends, you kind of become very self-indulged and are quite happy just kind of being in your own space, even though you might be your own worst enemy. I think these warning signs are the same thing in a friend. If they start to shy away and they're just starting to cancel a lot on you and making plans, don't want to go out anymore, perhaps paranoid about certain things as well. That's one that my friends noticed in me as well, is that you become very paranoid about everything around you, about people, about what you've done in that day. If you've made a mistake, it's very hard to get over that. But like I said, just be patient with your friend, just offer as much support as possible.